हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ शुगर हॉल। दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट एवर शुगर हॉल एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि ये जो वीडियो है इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो। इसमें जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ ये सब मैं अपने खुद के पैसों से ख़रीदा है एंड इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल स्पॉन्सर्ड. So guys, this is the box that I am going to share. This is kind of the packaging that you get with sugar. And let me tell you, ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा haul नहीं है. I have ordered only a few products and there was a offer going on, like at a certain amount I was supposed to get a certain gift. I'll tell you what all I have bought and what all gift that I have received. I'll tell you that as well. और वीडियो के टाइम पे मैं आप लोगों को हर प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस स्क्रीन पे डाल दूंगी, सो यू कैन चेक दैट एज वेल एंड आई विल ऑल्सो लीव द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. You can check that as well. So let's quickly start with this video. Right guys, तो सबसे पहला जो प्रोडक्ट मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ वो है ये चारकोल पेट्रोल फेस मास्क एंड इसमें है चारकोल पाउडर, ग्रीन टी एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ कॉफ़ी एक्सट्रैक्ट. सो ये तीनों चीज़ इसमें प्रेजेंट हैं एंड आई हैवेंट यूज दिस वन येट. सो once I use it I'll definitely review it. So yeah, this was the first one. So the next product that I have ordered is this particular I Dared You So metallic eyeliner and it is in the shade of 01. Bronze Horseman is the shade and I'll just quickly open it up. So this is how it looks from inside. This is the packaging and I'll just quickly show you my shade. Something like this. It is something like this. I'm just applying it a little broader for you all to see. I hope you all can see it. The next thing that I am going to share with you is this sugar lipstick that I have ordered. This one is the packaging and the shade that I've ordered is Peachy Little Liars and the shade number is 06. So I'll just quickly open it up and show it to you how it looks from inside. So yeah, see. So this is the quantity that you are going to get. One, I'll just quickly show you how the shade is, what exactly the shade looks like. This is the shade. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to share with you is something that we need a lot in winters. Yes, of course, I'm talking about a lip balm to moisturize your lips. So this is the one that I've ordered and it's Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm and the shade that I've ordered is 02 Cosmopolitan and it also states that it nourishes your lips with SPF. So yeah, this is the one that I've ordered. I have just opened it, so I'm just quickly going to show you how it looks. This is the lip balm, okay, and I'm quickly going to apply this. This is the quantity that you get
and I'm quickly going to show it to you what exactly it looks like after you apply. I'll just quickly open a little more.
Yeah, this is all what I bought it with my money, so this is what it is. And then now coming to the fun part is the part where I have received a few gifts on a particular amount. So this was the total amount that I spent and on this I have got a kit of 4 mini lipsticks absolutely free on the purchase of the amount that I just showed you, and I'll just quickly open it. So I have removed the cover of the lipsticks just to save time of the video, and these are the 4 lipsticks that I have got. I hope you all can see. This is again shade number 01 Brazil Raisin. This is the shade. It's more like a reddish color, so yeah, shade. And then the next shade that I have received is 17 Fairy Berry. So this is the one. I'll just show it to you. This is the shade. Okay, then the next shade that I have received is the Hot Apricot, shade number 37. This is the shade. Then I have received shade number 38, Dose of Rose. So this is what I have got. This is the shade. I'll just show you the shade. This is the shade. So these are the 4 shades that I have got absolutely free. Of course, they are minis. Along with that, something I really liked and I was so attracted to while I was making this purchase, I also got this pouch absolutely free on the purchase. So this is a very classy pouch, a cosmetic pouch that I have got, and I'm so excited that I am going, I have made this purchase. I actually made it on Diwali and I couldn't make the video, so I'm just making it now. So basically this particular offer was going on Diwali, so I'm sharing it now with you. But I'm really happy that I made this purchase. And yeah, so these were all the products I got from Sugar Cosmetics, and let me tell you that I have bought it from their direct website and not from either Purple or Nykaa. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you really did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit the bell icon that is there just besides the subscribe button. Till then, it's a bye from my end. Be safe and be kind to one another. Bye bye.